Chris Evans was forced to pull out of Virgin Radio after testing positive for coronavirus. The 55-year-old is currently at home resting and is said to be feeling really poorly. The radio DJ's replacement Sam Pinkham gave listeners an update on Chris' health today. It comes after the presenter took the day off from his show yesterday. The presenter was absent from his show as he followed government guidelines, after taking a lateral flow test and is awaiting his PCR results. The former Top Gear presenter has been experiencing symptoms of COVID and is taking a break from his work duties. Good morning friends. This is the Chris Evans Breakfast Show with Sky, Sam began. Sam Pinkham, in for Chris. He continued, Chris has tested positive for COVID. Has at home and he is struggling a bit. But we're sending you all our love buddy and we hope you're getting better. Sam added, a lot of love to Tash and the kids too. Addressing Chris' health woes, he later added that the Virgin Radio host is really poorly. The news comes after the Virgin Radio host returned to work and confirmed he had been in contact with someone who had the virus. Speaking on the show on Monday, Chris said, "Good morning to the frothy coffee man, he Tenvora has got COVID again." Dolly Parton sparks frenzy with rare snap of barely seen husband Carl. Latest Jeanette Manrara gave Aliyot's Strictly partner Sarah Wright talking to Strictly Our Yorkshire Farms Amanda Owen details spooky experience admission, has really struggling. I hope you're getting better. And it was his birthday on Saturday. The radio host explained that his personal assistant was not able to celebrate his birthday due to falling ill. Chris added that his pal was on holiday with him and his family last month. He was away with us, he mused. So we thought we all had COVID. Chris continued, we did all of the tests but nobody had it. Only the frothy coffee man tested positive. It's so weird. COVID is around and it's here to stay, it would seem. His show replacement said on yesterday's offering that Chris had been feeling dodgy during his slot earlier this week. Chris Evans' Virgin Radio Breakfast Show airs weekdays from 6:30 a.m.